stopped off here at a place called Nabiac, just south of Taree, a bit further north of Newcastle, and I'd seen the signs in previous years when I'd driven past on the highway. I always had the family in the car, I never had really time to stop. So yeah, this time I thought I'm going to stop. I'm going to have a look at the motorbike magazine. I'm going to have a look at the National Motorcycle Museum and see what it's all about. There's all sorts of classic bikes. This one's 1927. 2 3/4 horsepower on a beast. There's a race section over in that area over there. It's got a lot of racing bikes, and at the back there's all sorts of bikes in all sorts of disrepair. I think that's where they get them in and just put them on display down there, and then bit by bit, one by one, they might restore them. I don't know. These motorbikes. Enfield. This must be the Enfield section. An aerial arrow, 1960-64. I can't even imagine riding something like that. That'd be scary. The windscreen on that one. That's pretty cool. That'll keep you nice and protected. Yes, this is the aerial section by the look of it. (1937). This one's a 1948 model. Have a look at that propellion seat. So it's not just motorbikes here either. People have donated their trophies. Some of these are from the 80s. All sorts of crazy helmets. One of the safest things in the world to wear. The walls are just covered. Posters, Mick Doohan. This is the Mick Doohan wall by the look of it. There's all sorts of posters and memorabilia. It's amazing. It's incredible how much they have here. It started off as a personal collection, and then people started donating and donating and donating to their collection, and a lot of people still own the bikes that are in here, but they don't. Rather than have them on display in their shed, you know, for only their friends to see, they've donated them to the museum so that anyone can come and have a look at their bike. This one here is a Militaire, 1914. It's one of the most unusual motorbikes I've ever seen. Look at the steering setup. It's quite bizarre. Little leaf springs down there, the suspension. Really weird. And a big gear shift in the middle. You've got this foot pedal over there. Don't know what that is. And the other foot pedals in there, that's a brake maybe. You got these weird wheels at the back. I don't know what the go is with them. Very strange. These tiny little exhausts poking out the back. There's the drive shaft. It's like a little tail shaft coming out of the gearbox. Very odd. The speedo.